If you want to improve your somersaults and do them much higher, a very useful thing in that process would be understanding the concept of blocking. In gymnastics, blocking often refers to pushing off the hands in a specific way to generate height. For the purpose of this video, we'll generalize the definition and use blocking to describe converting horizontal momentum into vertical lift. To visualize this concept, imagine the gymnast as a ball moving forward. The obstacle they bounce off is the leg takeoff performed at the correct angle. The height they reach depends on the speed they had before takeoff. Of course, in real conditions there are energy losses, and the takeoff isn't perfectly vertical. But this simplified model helps us understand that a high, and therefore good, somersault comes from things such as the speed of the run-up, the hurdle jump, with the optimal takeoff angle, and a tight body position that minimizes energy losses. The run-up is crucial as the generator of linear momentum. It should be fast and reach its highest velocity right before the hurdle, but still sub-maximal to maintain control. The steps shouldn't land on the heel. The arms stay extended, ready to swing to support the hurdle and body positioning. The hurdle is long, with the legs moving forward. The takeoff point should be placed in front of the center of mass. By pushing the legs strongly and quickly into the ground, we convert horizontal speed into height, while also increasing angular velocity. In the case of a round-off into a back somersault, the blocking occurs in the second phase, where you transition from the hands onto the feet. With proper technique, the somersault will not only be higher, but also rotate faster. So you must be careful not to over-rotate the skill and remember to open at the right moment. Maintaining a tight body position requires strengthening, for example through practicing the hollow position. A simple straight jump is also a good exercise for learning to control the takeoff. Using a springboard helps you better control the takeoff angle. The springboard is also a good indicator of whether your takeoff is strong enough. With a proper takeoff, the springboard should return the energy and make quite a loud sound. Another helpful exercise for improving blocking is practicing a forward roll onto an increasingly higher stack of mats, turning it into a fun challenge. Let's compare a round-off back somersault, with one version using the technique we've discussed. The skill shown below is not only performed higher, but it's also much easier to hold a precise shape. In this case, the tucked position. That's all about blocking. I hope this helps clarify the concept and that it will be useful in improving your somersaults. As always, practice safely and good luck.